Welcome back to CapCut video editing tutorials. In this video we will learn about masking in CapCut. Creating masking in videos involves adding layers to it, which can vary from adding a shape to blending two clips together. You can create optical illusions like the video of a person walking behind a pole and disappearing, and other stuff. In this video you will particularly learn how to do effects like selective, color grading, shiny effect, fog effect, and sky replacement. We have previously done one effect using masks. It was when doing text reveal while walking animation. But in this tutorial we will learn some more and learn masking in depth. And I will start by downloading videos from the website pexels.com. So I will download a video of a landscape. For example, this one. Once we imported the video into the app, we can start with the first effect, which is going to be selective color grading. Let's say we want to make this part of the video darker and more contrasting. The first thing to do is duplicate the clip. And go to the Adjustment tab. And bring down the curve. Then go to Video, Mask, select Horizontal, and mask the bottom area, like this. You can rotate and adjust it so it's located where needed, and bring up the feather effect so it looks smoother. Then go back to Adjustment and Curve and bring it down to make it even darker, while bringing the highlights up. Then duplicate the initial clip once again and bring up the curves. Go to Video, Mask, and use a circle one to brighten this central area. And don't forget to bring up the feather effect. Then go back to Adjustment and Curves and bring down the shadows. And this is how we did the bottom part more dark and contrasting. And that's how you do the selective color grading effect. Next effect is shiny effect. It could be used in ads when you showcase the logo of your company, but in this case it will just be a little phrase. For that, I also downloaded a picture of the phrase from the same website pexels.com. Now, once we imported the image, we create compound clip, then duplicate it, and go to Adjustment tab and bring up the brightness. And since my text is written in black, I will bring up the blacks. But if your text is in any other color, then you can bring up the whites so that it's lighter. Then go to Video, Mask, choose Rectangle, bring the feather up just a bit at about 15, then adjust it, making it more narrow, and rotate it. Then move it to the upper left corner so it's not visible. Then go in the timeline with the playhead a bit after the beginning of the clip and create position keyframe. Then move a few frames forward and move the mask as well to the bottom right corner. And the keyframe has automatically been added. We can also scale the video so it looks better. And now let's see the final result. Next effect is fog effect. For this I'm going to use the same landscape clip as I used in the first effect and a gray image. We set the gray image for the full length and scale it so it covers the whole screen. Then go to mask and select mirror. And don't forget to bring up the feather so to make it smoother. I'll put it to the maximum. Then I make it a bit more narrow and put the fog somewhere so that it looks like the fog is in the mountains. Now let's do the same effect but using a video of a person. For example, this video here. So to do this effect, we need the fog to be behind this person. So import the video and duplicate it. Then, using Cutout tab and Auto Cutout, we remove the background, scale it. Now place the fog image in between the layers of this person and prolongate it. And do the same things as we previously did with mask. So scale, mask, mirror, feather, and make it narrow. Like this. Now let's see the final result. And the last effect for today is sky replacement. This one looks very beautiful and interesting, but it's actually pretty easy to make. Let's download this sky video, for example. Now the first thing we're gonna do is copy and paste the clip of this girl and cut out the background by using auto cutout function. Then we import the clip and put it in between the layers. And now we're gonna go to mask, horizontal, make it more here, and adjust the feather. Then we go to basic and adjust the blending mode to multiply. And if needed, do some adjustments to bring up the contrast and shadows, etc. I will adjust the mask a bit. And now let's see the result. So this was the tutorial on masking in CapCut. We learned such effects as selective color grading, shiny effect, fog effect, and sky replacement. All of these effects are very easy to use, but they're still very interesting and creative ways to enhance your videos. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next videos.